How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live here.
Do you speak French?
Yes, I speak French.
Do you speak English?
I speak a little English.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I'm learning English.
Are you practicing English?
Yes, I'm practicing English.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand me?
No, I don't understand.
Do you know?
Yes, I know.
Do you know the answer?
No, I don't know.
Do you understand now?
Yes, I understand now.
Do you have a question?
Yes, I have a question.
What is this?
It's a book.
What is that?
It's a car.
Who is he?
He is my friend.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Where is it?
It's here.
What do you want?
I want this.
What do you need?
I need some water.
What are you doing?
I'm working.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
What day is it?
It's Monday.
How much is it?
It's 10 euros.
Is it far?
No, it's near.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can you repeat, please?
Yes, no problem.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can.
Can you explain?
Yes, I can explain.
Can you show me?
Yes, look here.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Do you like it?
No, I don't like it.
Do you want this?
Yes, I want this.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need some help.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm thirsty.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm tired.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you sad?
No, I'm not sad.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy.
Are you free?
Yes, I'm free.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you working?
Yes, I'm working.
Are you coming?
Yes, I'm coming.
Are you on your way?
Yes, I'm on my way.
Can I come in?
Yes, come in.
Can I sit here?
Yes, sit down.
Can I have some water?
Yes, here you are.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
What can I do?
You can help me.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready now.
Whose turn is it?
It's my turn.
Is it my turn?
Yes, it's your turn.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Is this mine?
Yes, it's yours.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my keys.
Did you find it?
Yes, I found it.
Did you lose it?
Yes, I lost it.
Did you forget?
Yes, I forgot.
Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Do you remember now?
Yes, I remember now.
Did you forget?
No, I didn't forget.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my phone.
Do you need more time?
Yes, I need more time.
Do you know yet?
No, I don't know yet.
Do you think so?
Yes, I think so.
Do you think so?
No, I don't think so.
Can we go later?
Maybe later.
Can we go tomorrow?
Maybe tomorrow.
Is everything fine?
Yes, everything is fine.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Is the food good?
Yes, it's very good.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Is it easy?
Yes, it's easy.
Is it difficult?
Yes, it's difficult.
Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
Am I wrong?
No, you are right.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Do you agree?
No, I don't agree.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's easy.
What does this mean?
It means hello.
What does this word mean?
It means house.
How do you spell it?
House.
How do you say this in English?
We say thank you.
How do you say this in French?
We say merci.
Can you correct me?
Yes, of course.
What happened?
I lost my phone.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 7.
What time do you work?
I work at 8.
What time do you leave?
I leave at 6.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Where is your phone?
It's on the table.
Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
Which way should I go?
Turn left.
Which way should I go?
Turn right.
Should I continue?
Yes, go straight.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Thank you for watching English Evolution Step 1. Keep practicing these simple English dialogues every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next step of your English journey.